Are we having fun yet? Yes, sir. We are having fun. What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. In this vlog, we're going hiking on another trail, this time in San Francisco. And there's coyotes. Time to get eaten alive. Look, there's a bear. What the heck? Alright guys, so we're only like 1 mile in with our hike. I hear Jason complaining now. Oh gosh, look at this. Goes all the way up, guys. We're almost there, guys. Ah! going down. Oh, I'm going down. It's hard to like hold the camera with. I gotta. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. So we are. I'm not sure how far are we, but we found the ladder. Dang, the brightness. Oh, so bright. There's a ladder back there that we were hoping to find at the end of the trail, and we did. It's lovely. Took some photos. It's a good hike, guys. Good hike. Look at that view! It's so beautiful!